we guide you through how to find downloads on Samsung phone. So the first thing you need to do is to unlock your phone and open My Files app, which is the default file manager on Samsung devices. Once inside, tap on Downloads and you'll immediately see all the files you've downloaded, including photos, videos, documents, and apps. Sorted by date so the newest ones appear first. If you don't see what you are looking for, tap the search icon at the top and type the file name to quickly locate it. Alternatively, you can also access your downloads through apps like Chrome by opening the browser, tapping the three dots on the top right, and selecting Downloads to view your recent files directly. For images and videos, you can also check the Gallery app since downloaded media often appears there automatically. If your download is missing, make sure to check different folder inside My Files or confirm download location in your browser settings.